Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I found another project in the Country Door magazine spring 2021. Now mine is similar but different because I decorated, this is the center one, letter E, I decorated mine with fall foliage and it came out beautiful. Pringles cans, haha, that's what I used. So I painted them a dark gray, and I started adding a little bit of white, a little bit of silver to get them to look like galvanized metal. Very simple to do, but isn't that a great idea using Pringles cans? So this is how they turned out after painting them, and I really like the way that they came out. And then I took a black Sharpie and went around the edges and darkened it. So the next step was to pull out my greenery. I had this on hand. It's foliage that I had bought from Hobby Lobby quite some time ago, and I cut 3 pieces of it to go lengthwise across the Pringles can. So it was pretty easy to do. I just took hot glue and hot glued the foliage right down. I had to hold it in place for a while because this greenery was a little on the heavy side, but it was very, very simple to do. I really liked how this foliage looked. Now, you can buy greenery even at Walmart. It's only 98 cents. So any greenery of your choice would work. And that's how it came out. I love the way that it drapes over the sides of the can. You have to do both sides. This is a 2-sided project. Isn't that pretty? I love the way it looks against the faux galvanized tin. So there I go. I've got the 3 cans done. Now I got to figure out, what do I do next? Well, let's get my stash of fall flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Fall is my favorite season, and I love all the colors associated with fall. The burnt oranges, the yellows, the pinks. Yes, there are pinks. I have grapevine in there. I have more greenery. And I have fall leaves. Most of these florals came from the Dollar Tree. So I've glued them on, and look how pretty they came out. So each tube has a little arrangement that I glued on top of that greenery that I first laid down. Now the next project is to string them together. And they are one on top of another, separated around, I think, 4 or 5 inches. So that is what I'm going to be doing next. So what I did is I cut the twine. I left it long because I wasn't sure. And I wrapped around each tier and tied it. And then the next tier down, I did the same thing. Wrapped the twine 2 or 3, 4 times around and attached it to the tier above it, just tying knots. So I think this project came out beautiful, and I'm really proud of it. So much prettier than the one in the magazine. It's quite large. I think it would be pretty hanging on a door, hanging in a window, hanging on your wall. This isn't where I'm going to keep it, but I just wanted to show it to you. Now here you can see where I've wrapped the twine around and just tied knots. I did that on each tier all the way down. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. We have a lot of fun, DIYs, home decor, crafting, cooking, a little bit of everything. So I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.